What up, folks? How y'all doing tonight? First night of tearing it apart. Got it down at the moment. Got the cross member and shit off of it, and radiator's kind of just like flippity floppity floopity. But yeah, shit. For what all's up in front of this thing, you know, it may have a good chance because it's nothing but frame for the most part. Got it pretty gutted down. I ripped off a couple things, get some clearance. Got some nice clearance in there now. Be able to smash some shit. Got the fenders all out of her, you know. Tearing it down. Can't do nothing about the ABS right there, but that stuff might. Gonna try to move that. Took the windows out of it. Got her all jacked up. At least the front end is. Yeah, got it up here in this lovely tent, you know. Got 7 days, and she'll be at Carroll County. It was kind of ironic. Did a lot up here to get this thing to where it is, for how stupid Chrysler is for doing this kind of stuff with the frontwards facing motors. It's kind of funny because you have like all kinds of room back there, and it's all right up front. But notice something with this Chrysler though. That frame rail comes out at an angle, and does that one. So I think it might be pretty tough. But rest of the windows are coming out tomorrow. Battery wires are gonna get re-ran. You know, just got the basic simple hookup at the moment. Yep. Run like a champ. Alright, y'all. Till next time. There'll probably be a video soon. Probably the next one will be painting it. And we'll go from there. Hope to be at Carroll County with this old piece of shit right here. Alright, y'all. Till next time.